In today's video, I'll show you how to set availability in Calendly step by step. Your availability controls when people can book meetings with you, so setting it correctly is essential for avoiding conflicts and keeping your schedule organized. First, sign into your Calendly account and go to your dashboard. Once you're inside, look for the Availability section in the left-hand menu. Click on it to open your scheduling settings. Now you'll see your default availability schedule. This is the base schedule that applies to your events unless you customize it. Next, choose the days you want to be available. For example, you might select Monday to Friday and leave weekends unavailable. Then set your working hours for each selected day. You can define start and end times, such as 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., depending on your routine. If you want more control, you can create multiple availability schedules. For example, one for morning meetings and another for afternoon sessions. Now review your time zone settings. Make sure your time zone is correct so clients see accurate booking times, especially if you work with international clients. Next, you can block off specific times for breaks, focus work, or personal appointments. These block times will automatically become unavailable for booking. After that, assign your availability to specific event types. This allows you to use different schedules for different services, such as consultations, interviews, or group sessions. Once everything is set, click Save to apply your availability settings. Now your Calendly page will only show time slots that match your defined schedule. Before finishing, open your booking link and test it to make sure the correct time slots are visible to clients. And that's it. You've successfully set availability in Calendly and taken full control of your scheduling system. And that's how you set availability in Calendly. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.